Hi, I'm Janet Eaton, the Director of Athletics at Wiley College in Marshall, Texas.
Why are you considered a Title IX trailblazer?
I'm the first female Director of Athletics at Wiley College. Wiley College has been in existence for 139 years. Miss Willie Mae Owens started women's athletics in 1973 with track and field and women's basketball. So I'm truly honored to move forward her dreams and her legacy.
How have female student athletes benefited from your efforts, contributions to gender equality?
I believe our female student athletes have benefited due to the opportunity of just observation and seeing the fact that I can move forward in a professional manner and yet still remain poised like a lady. This year we had the opportunity to play our women's basketball game prior to our men's game, just to honor our Title IX and promote our women athletics. At Wiley College we have a variety of sports, and we have complemented each sport by having the other. We have men and women's cross country, men and women's track and field, men and women's basketball, baseball, volleyball, and men and women's soccer.
How is your athletic department, conference, or organization committed to gender equality, supporting female student athletes, and promoting opportunity for women in athletics?
I believe we promote female athletics in several different capacities. This year, we had the opportunity to play women's basketball prior to men's basketball, so we highlighted the women at 7 o'clock and posted them playing at 5:30. We submitted our media guide, which shows equal opportunity for the men and the women. You can't tell who's front and who's back. We have several sports that complement each other. We have men and women's track, men and women's cross country, men and women's basketball, men and women's soccer. So I feel that's an opportunity to move forward. And as we look to grow at Wiley College in sports, we will continue to use our female coaches to head our female sports. That is something that we have been very, very strong on. Our administration has supported the efforts of allowing the women coaches to head the female sports. And this is why we should win the opportunity for the Title IX award. Thank you.